In this paper, we will discuss partial differential equations and complex analysis. Let us move on to module 1. It will discuss on partial differential equations. Let us have some introduction. A differential equation which involves partial derivatives is called a partial differential equation, or in short PDE. If z is a function of two independent variables x and y, let us use the following notations for the partial derivatives of z. Dou z by dou x, or it is otherwise denoted by small p. Dou z by dou y, which is the partial derivative of z with respect to y, treating x as constant. It is otherwise denoted by small q. The second partial derivative of z with respect to x is denoted by dou square z by dou x square, or otherwise it is denoted by small r. The second partial derivative of z with respect to y, then with respect to x, is denoted by dou square z by dou x dou y, or otherwise it is denoted by s. And the second partial derivative of z with respect to y 2 times is given by dou square z by dou y square, or it is denoted by small t. Now let us look on to some basic definitions which are required to classify the partial differential equations. The first term is the order of a partial differential equation. The order of a partial differential equation is the order of the highest partial derivative in the equation, and the degree of partial differential equation is the degree of highest order partial derivative occurring in the equation. Thus, order and degree of the partial differential equation: dou square z by dou x dou y the whole cube plus dou z by dou x the whole raised to 4 minus x into dou z by dou x equal to 0 are respectively 2 and 3. Let us see on this expression that the highest order of the derivative is 2. Here z is differentiated 2 times, hence the order is 2, and the degree of the highest ordered term, that is the degree of dou square z by dou x dou y, is 3, hence the degree of the partial differential equation is 3. Now we are going to form a partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants or arbitrary functions from a given relation. There are two types of formation problems. The first one is the formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants, and the second type is the formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary functions. Let us discuss the first type, that is the formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary constants. If the number of arbitrary constants equal to the number of independent variables in the given equation, then the partial differential equation obtained is of first order. If the number of arbitrary constants is more than the number of independent variables, then the partial differential equation obtained is of second or higher orders.